Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Friday the 13th. Yes, it's Friday, March the 13th, 2020. Lucky or unlucky day is this? Anyway, we have today two Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. We will start with the light version, so let's get started. I see a lot of twos, so let's start with the two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need two twos. Anyway, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for a 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Let me see. A lot of 5s also. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Let's see the number. Well, which number can I use? Can I use the no, we will see. Let's go to the number 3. Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 is here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the second row, the only place for the 3 must be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And I see all the 3s are used. Alright, then let's see the number 1, the digit 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 is here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 is here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for a 1 is here, here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Alright. Then I see one number is missing in this third column for the number 8. Yes. Then I see Two numbers are missing in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. I see here 7, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One missing number in the third row for the number 9. Then, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. In this big square, we have a 9 there. So no 9 here. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6, 8, and 7. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box is left for the 6, should be this one. 7 and 8 are left for this big square. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 6. 1 missing number in the second row for the number 8. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 4. 1 missing number in this row for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 6, 7, and 4. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 9. 1 missing number in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 8. 1 missing number in the row above for the number 7. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. 2 missing numbers in this column for the number 6 and 7. 6 and 7, we have a 7 there, no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 8 minutes. Alright, for this Sudoku Light. So, thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you want, or if you like. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again, and I will see you in a minute or later for the second and final Sudoku of today, the Friday the 13th, a heavy Sudoku. Thank you and bye-bye.